Morning all. Hope you guys are able to hear me right. Could you please confirm?
Sir, you are audible.
Are you guys able to see the screen as well which I am sharing? Please confirm that one as well.
Yes, sir, it is visible again.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So let's see. Today is our first class. Actual classes starts from today. So today we can see the first class of our manual testing course. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay. So this is the first class in manual testing and the last free class for you. Okay. If you guys are interested after listening this class, please enroll today itself. Otherwise, you can't join from tomorrow classes because the link is going to be changed. The class link is going to be changed from the tomorrow classes. If you guys interested to join to learn manual and automation courses, you guys can reach out to your institute people and you can ask them how to enroll and you guys can enroll. Okay, clear what I'm telling?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So let me open the material. Hope you guys are able to see the material, right? So I already told you our materials are very crystal clear. The topics are going to be seen in the starting. What are the topics we are going to discuss? And later we are going to discuss topic wise, one topic by one topic. Okay. So these are the topics we are going to discuss in the today session. What are software and its types? And what is meant by software testing and what is meant by software quality? What is meant by project and what is meant by product? Actually, why do we need testing? What is the error? What is the bug? What is the failure? And why the software has bug? Why do you choose testing job? These are the some of the topics we are going to know. Okay, they won't ask in the interviews what is meant by project. Maybe project versus product might be asked in the some of the interviews, the funny questions. So no one asks these questions in the interview, but you should know before going to the software industry. Okay, you should know these basic things. For example, if some of your friends asks, Raju, what is the difference between project and product? I have doubt. If someone asks you, you should be answer as you are in the IT industry, right? So you should know some basic things, even it is not asked in the interviews. Okay, that's the reason I keep these topics in the first class. So let's see what is meant by software. Can anyone tell what is meant by software? Why we are calling it as a software? Is there any answer for it? I don't want exact answers. Please share your views. That's it. Okay. Why we are calling it as a softwares? Can anyone speak out? Speak out.
To develop a
No one.
program.
So the
No.
programs used by the computer or the users,
Okay.
set of applications defined in a single program.
Okay. Good. Any other answers? Okay. Cool. So here the software is nothing but set of programs. Okay, software is nothing but set of programs. Then what is meant by program is nothing but set of instructions. Set of instructions. Okay, here for example there is a software of operating system. Okay, in your laptops it may be window, it may be linux, it may be mac. Okay, based on your laptop you have some operating system. So what they are going to do is, in that operating system, whenever you open a laptop, the booting process is going to be done, right? So what it will do, booting process, how that machine understand that laptop is open, because we have written some programs. We have written some programs to boot the entire laptop, to boot the entire laptop. Okay. So what is meant by program? Program is nothing but set of instructions. We are giving some instructions to the system. Please execute these tasks. Please follow these steps. Okay, please follow these steps. For example, if you go to the any mart, Reliance Mart or DMart, there will be billing software, right? So whenever that scanner is scan the product, automatically it will be added into the will pace. How it is happening? They trained that scanner by giving some instructions. Whenever that is scanned by the barcode, automatically the code which is feeded in the rupees, the money feeded into that barcode is going to be added in the bill list. That is the sum of the instructions given by the developer while developing a barcodes. While developing a barcodes. Okay, here software is nothing but collection of computer programs that helps us to perform a task. Okay, here what you people have to remember is software is collection of programs. What is meant by program means set of instructions we are giving to the machine. Okay, total we have three types of software. Total we have three types of softwares. First one is system software, second one is programming software, and third one is application software. System software is nothing but device driver, operating system, servers, utilities, etc. Device drivers is nothing but, for example, if I want to connect to the Wi-Fi, so I have to connect here, right? So I have to select one of the Wi-Fi and I have to connect it. So if we haven't, if that Wi-Fi driver is not available in your laptop, we are not able to connect that Wi-Fi to our system because that Wi-Fi driver is not available, right? Those drivers are called system software. And for example, operating system. Operating system is one of the software that is also comes under the system software. All the utilities, servers, device drivers are comes under the system software. Utilities is nothing but, for example, if you want to take a print from your laptop, you have to install the printer driver and connect it to the printer. Then only you will get a prints. Then only you will get a prints. Okay. And next one is programming software. Next one is programming software. Programming software is nothing but we are having different types of compilers, debuggers, interpreters, etc. We are having different types of compilers, debuggers, interpreters, etc. So here compilers, debuggers, interpreters is nothing but if you have already completed your education in the BTech or else, guys, please don't exit and join because it will makes a lot of disturbance. Okay. Okay, cool. Here, compilers, interpreters, and debuggers are nothing but when you guys are studied BTech or else degree, there will be some practical labs for the computers, right? So there you can see some editors where you can write the programs. Okay, so those are called as a compilers, debuggers, interpreters. Simply, how can I say is the softwares which is used to write the programs is called it as a programming softwares. Okay. And next one is application software. Application software is nothing but web applications, mobile application, desktop apps. We are having Instagram application, we are having Facebook application, we are having Sublime, we are having Eclipse, we are having what we can say WebEx conferencing tool and Zoom. All these things are comes under web application, mobile apps, desktop apps, etc. Okay, these are the three types of softwares available in the market in the current era. Okay, and next one, what is software testing? Next topic is what is software testing? Here we already discussed the software development lifecycle process, right? In software development lifecycle process, we are having some phases. It's nothing but requirement analysis, design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance. These are the some of the phases we have in software development lifecycle. Here, testing is one of the phase in it, right? That's why he has given that software testing is a part of SDLC and is an activity to detect and identify the defects in the software. The object of testing to release the quality product to the customer. Okay, here simply remember this point. I have already bolded the important keywords here. If you see the notes, here you can see that these are very important. These are very important. 3 points. What is there really? Testing is one of the phase in SDLC. Very easy point. And second one is testing is due to identify and detect the errors or defects. That is second point. And third point, our agenda to do the testing is to provide the quality product to the customer. These are the 3 points, nothing. Okay. And next one is how can you justify the software quality? Okay. How can you say that software is a quality software? If below aspects are satisfied, then only we can say that software has quality. What are those? Customer justification. How can the customer will justify that that application is software quality? Okay. For example, the A person go to the TCS company and ask to develop a product. The TCS company developed a product and revert back to the customer, and they want feedback from the customer. So when the customer justified that application is quality, if below things are match, then only the customer will justify that the software has quality. What are those aspects? Bug free is nothing but no error should be there, and project is delivered on time, and project is completed within budget, and a project will meet requirements or expectations, and the project should be in the maintainable mode. Is nothing but it should be maintainable. Whatever project that is built by the company, it should be easy to maintain to the customer, then only it will be the customer justification, and it should have a software quality. అర్థమైందా అండి? ఈ త్రీ టాపిక్స్ అర్థమయ్యాయండి? ఆర్ యూ గైస్ క్లియర్ టిల్ హియర్? వాట్ ఆర్ ద సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ టెస్టింగ్ అండ్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ క్వాలిటీ? ఆర్ యూ గైస్ క్లియర్? Please confirm in the chat at least. Rajesh, Roshan, VR, Joshna, Savaji, Manish. Need all responses. What about remaining three members? Okay, cool. And next topic is project versus product. ఇది కూడా చాలా ఈజీ అండి. ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్సెస్ ప్రొడక్ట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ. Okay, I don't want to ask you people the question as you are new to that course, right? So I will explain directly. So here you can see that what is meant by project and what is meant by product. Project is nothing but it's a software application is developed for specific customer based on the requirement. Okay, for example, let we take it as Zomato application. Okay, Zomato is a application. We are the developing that Zomato application to the specific customer is nothing but the head of the Zomato is only one person. Okay, that is called it as a project. Okay, and coming to the product. Product is nothing but is an application for multiple customer based on the market requirement. Okay, we'll give an example here. So here you can see this is a project. Project is nothing but they design a project, a software to the specific customer. Specific customer is nothing but only one person. Okay. So coming to the product, he will design to the multiple customer. He will design to the multiple customers and he will sell that product. Is nothing but he can be sell to the product. For example, what we can say, this is let's consider 1 minute. Let's consider this is project is Zomato, product is Teams. You guys all are aware about the Teams, or else you can see Zoom. You guys are aware about the Zooms, right? Zoom application, video conferencing tool. So let's imagine that one. That if you want to buy a application Zoom, so what do people have to do? You have to select a package. I need a so and so package for the month or year or quarterly or hourly. You have to take some plans to uh, work on the Zoom, right? Is it or not? Getting?
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Very, very clear definitions. Software developed for specific customer. Then it is called project. Software developed for multiple customers called product. Example is Zomato, Swiggy, all those things. Example is Zoom, Teams. Now you guys are learning in GoToMeeting, right? That is also product. Okay. And we are having Amazon Prime, Hotstar. All these are the products. All these are the products. Okay. And next topic is why do we need testing? Why we guys are doing the testing? Very simple answer, to provide the quality product. Nothing much more than that. Okay. Provide the quality product. And next one is error versus bug versus failure. This is very, very important question. Okay. This question will ask in the interview. You guys can note it and make how many stars you want. compulsory if you are applying for the manual job. Most recently asked question and mostly asked question is this one: error versus bug versus failure. Because you guys will confuse and will give mismatch answers. You will give failure definition to the error, error definition to the bug, bug definition to the failure. At that time, due to the tension, you may give the wrong answer. That's the reason the interviewer must ask this question to know the uh, knowledge on the testing by you. Okay. So please see these points carefully. What is mean by error? It's a incorrect human action. It's a incorrect human action. And what is meant by bug? Deviation from expected output. What is meant by failure? Is nothing but it's out of our hands. Okay, I will explain examples now. So whenever the developer is writing the code, by mistake the developer forgot to give the semicolon at the end of the line while writing the program. Okay, so what it was done? It was an incorrect human action. He forgot to give. So what it happened due to missing these column? What it happened is the program is not compiled, the program is not executed because of the error. What is that error? Syntax error, because of incorrect human action. And next one, what is bug or defect? Deviation from expected output. Here you can see, while there is a login page, in that login page you have given the correct username and correct password. Correct username and correct password. Whenever you guys has given the correct username and correct password, what you should expect? You should expect that you should be logged into that application. Is it or not? Correct me if I'm wrong. Getting my point? There is a login page. You have given the correct username and correct password. So what you will expect? మీరు కరెక్ట్ యూజర్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చారండి, కరెక్ట్ పాస్వర్డ్ ఇచ్చారు లాగిన్ పేజ్ లో. మీరు ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తారు? ఆ లాగిన్ పేజ్ అనేది
హోమ్
లాగిన్
పేజ్ కి
అవుతుంది,
వెళ్తుందని ఎక్స్పెక్ట్
ఇన్స్టెడ్
చేస్తాం.
వెళ్తుందని యూ గైస్ కెన్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్, రైట్? బట్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఈస్ ఇట్స్ థ్రోయింగ్ ఎ ఫెయిల్యూర్ ఎర్రర్. It's throwing so failure alert, the authentication failed. Okay, here this is actual what is happening, authentication is failed. But here what is your expected one? Navigate to the home page. Is both are matching? No, his actual execution is not matching with expected, then we are call it as a bug. That is deviation from expected output. And next one is failure. Same example, here it is navigated to the, after giving that one actual output is navigated to the home page, everything is working fine in your system. So as it is working fine, you have delivered the same code to the customer into the live. Okay, అది మీ ల్యాప్టాప్ లో కరెక్ట్గానే వర్క్ అయింది, బట్ నాట్ షూర్ ద రీజన్ వై ఇట్స్ ఫెయిల్డ్ ఇన్ ద లైవ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. It was found by the user who is using that application. That is called failure. Okay, for example, I will tell one more example. Here there is a PUBG game. In PUBG game, the testers are tested all the graphics and all the animation and everything is works fine. So sometimes when you are playing that PUBG game, you may identify that flickerings will be happen to the animation sometimes. Okay, why it is happening? You guys can find some issues, right? So sometimes the kills are not updated, sometimes some graphics are not working as per as expected. All those are issues which you are identified in the live. There you are the end user. Okay, the things which is identified by the end user is called as a failure. Hope you guys got it. Getting?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sometimes you may hear the word that this issue was escalated. Why the issue was escalated? Because it is in the live environment. It was identified by the end user. So it was escalated. Okay. And next, last two topics for the day is why the software has bugs. Actually, why the software has bugs? What is the reason to have the bugs in the software? What is the reason to have the bugs in the software? Because miscommunication and no communication. There is a developer, there is a tester, and between have a DevOps engineer. Between have a DevOps engineer. For developer to test it, sometimes we don't have communication. Sometimes we have miscommunication. Sometimes we have communication, sometimes we have miscommunication. At that time, what you will do? We will get an errors. And software complexity. If the software is big, then also we have some issues like IRCTC, programming errors like this here, syntax error, change requirements. Requirements are changing frequently, and lack of skilled tester. Lack of skilled testers is nothing but some testers what they will do. Uh, Naam kaha they have came and they are checking one or two test cases and they are completing. They are not doing in-depth testing. In that cases also we are having the bugs at the software. And next one, why do you choose a testing job? Okay, you all guys choose this course also because of this. Because the scope of getting jobs is very, very high. No need to depend upon any technology. And testing is there forever. This is very important why you guys are choose. Testing is there forever. Because you guys may see that manual testing won't be there in the future. Everything is going to be automated. Only automation testing there in the future. It's a wrong analysis. Wherever that automation testing is there, there should be manual testing. Without this, we can't go to the automation testing. For example, if you want to automate the scripts, first you should know the test cases. That test cases should be written by the manual tester. That is the first point. And second point is sometimes we can't execute the automation test cases is nothing but if it is regression testing then it is fine, but if you want to test any gaming applications it's not possible to automate because the crs are going to be changed for every time. Crs are nothing but code changes. The code changes are going to be changed every time, so it's not possible to automate those scenarios. Then also the manual testing is required. So where they have an equal importance, we can't ignore anything. Okay, clear or not? One can be consistent throughout their life. These are the some of the reasons to be choose the testing job. Hope you guys clear, right? Okay. Any more doubts so far? Okay, cool guys. This is the first class. Tomorrow what we can see is tomorrow class is very very important. Here you guys can see we already discussed the SDLC, but in SDLC we are having two models mainly, sequential and iterative. These are the two examples for the sequential, then these are the three examples for the iterative. And out of this, tomorrow we can see waterfall model and maybe spiral model, right? Yes, waterfall model and spiral model, one sequential and one iterative model we are going to see. And after that we are going to discuss advantages and disadvantages, and we can discuss the what is the difference between service and product based companies. Okay, tomorrow topic is also very very important. Please you guys can confirm your enrollments today. How many of you guys are interested to be joined? Let me know in the chat at least. We have here 3, 4, 5, 6 members are there here, right? So how many of you are interested here out of 6? Have seen 3 members, Joshna, Manish, Roshan. These are the 3 members are interested so far. I have seen in the message. What about others? You guys are not interested. It's not a force, okay? So you guys can. It's up to you. If you guys thought that these classes are worthable, if you are understanding the course what I'm telling, then only you can join. Okay. So it's completely purely based on you. Okay. Okay. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have seen the 5 members. Shivaji, we are Roshan, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Except Rajesh, all are interested to join, right? So, okay, fine, guys. So, thank you all for your interest. If anyone want to ask anything, we'll give 5 minutes of time. If anyone asks anything, you guys
సార్
can ask.
టోటల్ ఆటోమేషన్ అయిపోవడానికి ఎన్ని డేస్ పడుతుంది సార్? ఇవాళ జూలై 10th కదా, ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉంటుంది?
July 10th కదండి రోజు. సో మోస్ట్లీ ద ఆటోమేషన్ క్లాసెస్ విల్ స్టార్ట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ 21st or 22nd అండి. Hardly it's there 10 classes for the manual. So mostly we are going to start 21st or 22nd automation classes. By August 20 we are going to close.
Okay.
Okay, mostly August 20 lope we are going to change అండి, because I am changing some automation notes as well. So make you people to learn in depth, and we are going to see a few more concepts, and we are going to remove the few more topics which is not necessary as per the market. So I'm going to changing all the things. We are going to improve batch wise. For example, if the market is changes after the completion of the batch 11, we are going to change the concept as per the market standards. Okay, market standards is nothing but we can't change 100% course. There is 5% and 10% course is going to be changed compared with the previous batch. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, cool guys. So Roshan, you want to speak something? You unmuted the mic. If you want to speak something, please speak, or else we'll close the session for the day. Okay, cool. So guys, as you
జావా
said that,
కూడా బేసిక్స్ నుండి ఉంటుందా సార్?
ఏంటండి?
జావా నేర్చుకోవాలి కదా
Yes, sir.
సెలీనియం.
Yes. Java should be there from the basics. Nothing to worry about it.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, guys. Uh, Thank you all for your interest to be joined. So please enroll your slots further today. Okay. So please contact your institute after completion of this class. So we are done with the day. We'll close the session now. So please contact your institutes and enroll. They will create an WhatsApp groups. Okay. They will create one WhatsApp groups to all the confirmed student, and they will add me into group as well. So if you have any doubts, you can ask there. And every day you guys can receive the recordings through your mails. They will collect your mails and they will share. And every day the materials are going to be shared to the WhatsApp. Okay. Today EOD I will share this first document which consists 1 to 10 classes. So manual document, right? This the manual document is going to be shared in the by today EOD, because by today EOD the institute people will create a group with the people who already paid the fees. So in that I'm going to share the material. Okay. So hope I'm expecting all the people in the tomorrow class as well.